Why do some portraits instantly feel alive while others look flat or unfinished? The secret isn't talent, it's understanding how to truly see faces. And once you learn the fundamentals, anyone can improve their portrait drawings dramatically. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Drawing People in Portraits, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Drawing people in portraits is one of the most rewarding and challenging skills in art. Faces are incredibly complex, and our brains instantly recognize when something feels slightly off. But portrait drawing becomes much easier when you break it into clear, learnable steps. Today, you'll learn essential principles that help beginners and improving artists create more accurate, expressive portraits. Start with structure, not details. Many beginners jump straight into eyes and eyelashes. Instead, begin with simple shapes and proportions, the head shape, center line, and placement guides. A strong foundation prevents distortion later. Quick takeaway: structure first, details later. Understand facial proportions. Faces follow general proportional rules. Eyes typically sit halfway down the head, and spacing between features matters more than individual features themselves. Learning these guidelines helps you avoid common mistakes. Quick takeaway: correct placement creates realism. Learn to see light and shadow portraits. Come alive through value, not outlines. Observe how light wraps around the face, creating highlights, midtones, and shadows. Shading defines form and gives drawings depth. Quick takeaway: shade shapes, not lines. Capture expression, not perfection. A technically accurate portrait can still feel lifeless if expression is missing. Pay attention to subtle asymmetry, muscle tension, and personality cues. Small adjustments can dramatically change emotion. Quick takeaway: expression makes portraits human. Practice observation over memory. Drawing: what you think a face looks like leads to cliches. Instead, carefully observe reference photos or live subjects. Measure angles, compare distances, and slow down your observation. Quick takeaway: draw what you see, not what you assume. Many artists struggle early because they compare themselves to advanced professionals. But consistent practice, sketching daily faces, studying proportions, and experimenting with shading often leads to noticeable improvement within weeks. Skill builds through repetition and observation, not instant mastery. Great portrait drawing starts with structure, improves through understanding proportions, gains realism through light and shadow, and becomes powerful when expression and observation guide your work. Master the fundamentals, and every portrait becomes easier. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Drawing People in Portraits, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.